After 7 hours na biyahe from Brooks Point, finally guys, hello paradise, El Nido! First up, check-in muna tayo sa ating standard hotel. Simple lang pero malinis at komportable. Perfect ito guys para makapagpahinga at mag-freshen up. Next, dinner time! At may nag-sponsor sa amin. Super thank you sa masarap na welcome meal. Ang daming local dishes dito. Kaya habang nag-enjoy ang lahat, wala kaming ginawa kundi magkwentuhan at tawanan habang kumakain. At yun na nga, pagkatapos kumain, chill night lang muna. Kunting lakad-lakad sa paligid, enjoy the sea breeze at night lights ng El Nido. Day 1, done. Bukas, andyan na ang totoong adventure. Day 2, at maaga nga kaming gumising para sulitin ang araw na to. Una, diretso kami sa beach for fun and energizing Zumba session. Ang saya ng vibes, sabay-sabay ang galaw, sabay-sabay ang tawa. At pagkatapos, balik hotel muna tayo para mag-light breakfast. And then, gather the whole team para maghanda naman sa isa sa pinaka-exciting part ng trip na to, ang Tour A Island Hopping. At habang naglalakad kami papunta sa bangka, let me tell you guys, Tour A is the most famous island hopping package dito sa El Nido. Usually, meron itong 4 to 5 stops, kasama ang mga sikat na lagoons at beaches like Big and Small Lagoons, Secret Lagoon, Shimizu Island, at 7 Commandos Beach. At sa activities, syempre, nandyan yung kayaking. Of course, swimming. Snorkeling, at syempre picture taking sa postcard perfect spots.
Jump! 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, say cheese. Cheese! Pade! Walang bibitaw! Compress! Compress! Hila! Hila! Okay, pagbalik, welcome na dito ha! 3, 2, 1! Welcome!
Sa boat pa lang, magsawa ka sa picture taking. Ang ganda ng dagat. And the wind on our face, wow, mafe-feel mo guys, this is life. And the laughter of the whole team, kitang-kita mo yung saya habang papalapit kami sa first stop, the iconic Pig Lagoon. Here, we hop on kayaks at nag-explore sa paligid. The water was so clear, kita mo hanggang ilalim. The towering limestone cliff made it feel like we were in another world. Wow! Pagkatapos magkayak, swimming time naman. Sobrang refreshing habang ina-enjoy ang nature's beauty. And sa tour na to, here's the inclusions: boat transfers, life vest, tour guide, at syempre hindi mawawala yung buffet lunch. Bawal magutom sa grupo na to. At minsan guys, meron silang free to use snorkel gears. Pero kadalasan may bayad talaga ito guys ha. Mura lang naman. After a full day under the sun, balik hotel kami for our special team building program. Nagkaroon kami ng moment to appreciate each other sa lahat ng contributions, efforts, at teamwork na nagdala sa atin dito. At syempre, tinapos nga namin ang gabing ito with a hearty dinner, masarap na pagkain, kwentuhan, at tawanan. But wait! Shoutout nga pala guys sa Getscape Travel and Tours for organizing this unforgettable team building trip to El Nido. And if you guys need help planning your dream getaway, I'll put their links and contact details down below. Super reliable and very helpful sila. Day 2, what a blast! And tomorrow, the adventure continues. See you!